Hello everyone, this is my exact trading strategy. Watch the full video to find out. So here I have made a beautiful drawing for you, and I'm gonna be analyzing it first right here, and then we're gonna be going to the live charts. So we can see a movement real quick. We are breaking structure towards the upside, and at the same time we are creating new areas of interest, such as this order block down here. Once we broke structure above this area, we are expecting for price on the 15-minute time frame only to come back and retest this area over here. Price is indeed coming back many times, retesting this area and giving us a reaction. There I would be placing a trade over here, for example, and I'm gonna be showing a very nice way to enter on Monday. So I'm gonna be placing my entry right here with a take profit either over here or at the beginning of the next order block, which is this next supply zone. So now what we can see, we continue breaking structure towards the upside. But at some point in time, by following price action, I see that price is not respecting this previous area right here, and we have the potential so-called change of character, where now instead of making higher highs and higher lows, we are making a lower low and a lower high compared to this one. Instantly when I see such change, I am identifying this area now in order to sell. So I am following price action, and I can target either this thing or the beginning of this bullish order block down here. So this is one of the ways that I'm trading. If you want to know the complete strategies in order to get ridiculous results, check out my premium community. I will be leaving the link down in the description and the pinned link in the comment section. I will now take you to the live charts. It does not matter if you do that on any currency pair or on Bitcoin, any cryptocurrencies. This strategy is amazing and it does work. This is how this strategy is working on the live charts. Very simple, and I have called a bunch of trades on Bitcoin USDT in the premium community. One of the logics that we were trading with the most recent price action, we said that we did notice a break of structure above this area right here. We are following the most recent price action. Instantly, this order block down here, let's include this thing as well, became a valid area for us. Now, check out something. Below all of these areas, you have to note down, as I said in the previous videos that I have made, that there is liquidity being formed. These are trades that I called way before they happened, at least a day before. Okay, so every time, of course, that we break structure above, in this occasion, we are identifying our new order blocks. So this is an order block. This is another order block right here. None of these were tested, but I will show you the whole logic of this trading. I know that I'm forming more and more liquidity below these areas at the same time. They might hold, but I'm being very cautious. What do I see after this whole price action is taking place? I see what I showed you, an impulsive break towards the downside with those candlesticks that you can see right here. So what I'm doing, I'm identifying this thing as a change of character, which means now that we are potentially, as a short-term movement, moving into a downtrend. So, which was the order block that initiated those breaks of structures right here only on the 15-minute time frame? I'm only trading this time frame with this strategy, and of course, if you want to learn how to put everything together, go ahead and enroll in my premium community. It is a very low price for what I'm offering indeed. This was my order block. I did call out this trade. At the same time, I have to mention, once again, we were forming liquidity above this area. Another confirmation for me. I called out this trade. Of course, I said that I was gonna be taking it at the 50% level, so Personally, I didn't take it. I did call it out though for those people who would be taking it at the beginning. So you can easily target this area as I said. Okay, even here it's a 5.7 to 1. Now, one thing that I didn't talk about, this was a small mistake by my side, is we had to identify this one instead of this one down here. Why this one right here? Because this one was the one that was responsible for the break of structure towards the upside. So I do identify this one as well. Now I can also at the same time expect a reaction after liquidity is being grabbed. I took this one and it was a losing trade indeed, but guess what? I also took this one. Perfect entry at the 50% level down here. Okay, target, you can target previous areas over here. Okay, whatever, you can close partials. This is huge. So what we are doing actually, we are just following price action. This was another losing trade that I took right here. As an example, we did break above this structure that you see right here. We have a break of structure. I understand that there is a lot of liquidity below this area, but at the same time, if I am to follow a strategy, I am following a strategy. Of course, you might claim that this trade went up to 4.7 to 1, reward to risk, but unfortunately, I let it run until here, so I lost this trade down here. And it is the exact same logic. We are breaking structure, only one time frame that I'm following right here. And I'm identifying areas. I'm placing my trades out of these areas. This is very simple. This is all I'm doing. And now I'm gonna take you back to the today's price action right here. Here we are right now. The exact same thing. Even though I'm moving into an uptrend on the 15-minute time frame, this area was broken. It was initiated, this break of structure, by this order block down here. I am including the wick as well. At the same time, I have a change of character which was initiated by this candlestick up here. So these are the two areas that I am looking for in order to take my trades. So these are my two beautiful areas. It's very simple strategy. Of course, I am combining it with the things that I am teaching on the premium. You will not be missing out. It is a very small investment. Think about it as a trade. You would be spending the same money, let's say, to take a trade. You can go ahead and enroll into my premium and learn once and for all with one payment how to trade properly. Furthermore, we do have an extremely nice community where people are placing backtesting their own strategies, and everybody can backtest any strategy. Very engaged members. You will not be missing out for sure. So go ahead, click on the link down in the description, become a member of my premium Discord community. Check out Fairdesk. They are also having this beautiful competition, 2022 World Cup prediction contest. There is $600,000 to be grabbed. Who knows? Go ahead and do that as well. So this is my exact trading strategy, and this is gonna do it for today, traders. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.